In this video, I'm going to share with you why affiliate marketing is best. Before I get started with the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribe as I go ahead and I will get back to you. Alright, so let's get started. Oh, by the way, below I will leave my #1 recommendation to making money with affiliate marketing. That will be in the description and also in the comment section. So why affiliate marketing is best? Let's take a look at this sheet that I've made for you today. To make money online, to have a business online, right? You need a product, you need marketing, you need sales, you need fulfillment, and you need customer service, right? So you need all of those. So, either if you do it on your own, right? If you build your own product, you also need all of these. And if you're doing affiliate marketing, you also need all of these as well. So let's look into the product here. So if you're doing your own product, if you're building your own product, it's 100% of the time that you have to take in order to build it up. It can take 6 weeks minimum for you to build a product, a digital product online to sell, right? As with affiliate marketing, on day one, you're ready to rock and roll because you're promoting a product that's already there, that's already done for you, so you don't have to build the product yourself with affiliate marketing, right? Now let's move on to marketing, which is the most important thing that you should focus on because it's the income generating activity. With your own product, you have to put 100% of the time in order to promote, to get sales, to put your product out there, and so you can make money, right? That's marketing, promoting different strategies, methods, and things like that. On affiliate marketing, you also, of course, need 100% of your time on marketing so you can, generate sales, right? So let's move on to the category here of sales. Now, sales are, the system that's going to do the selling. It could be through a webinar. It could be through a phone call. There's many methods for selling online through a funnel. And so when you're doing your own product, let's say for sales, you do 10% of it. 10% of your time, you're going to put it here. Now note that here on the left on marketing, it went to 90% because if you put 10% on sales, if you're selling your own product, because you need to take care of that, right? Then on marketing, which is the most important thing, which is what is going to generate you income, now it's at 90% because you put 10% on sales. Now with affiliate marketing, it's 0% because the sales process, it's already there. They have it for you, either if it's a webinar, if it's through a funnel, right? If it's through, following up on email. So you don't have to care about that because it's already there with affiliate marketing. Now let's move on to fulfillment. If you have your own product, you need to fulfill. Let's say if you're building websites, you would need, to create the websites itself. If you're doing an agency, you would have to do the work itself. If you were, for example, selling on Amazon or eBay, you would have to fulfill. If you, doing digital products, you would have to fulfill the product itself. And so I'm just gonna, put 30% here for fulfillment. And as you can see here on the left on your own product for marketing, now you only have 60%. Right? And as within affiliate marketing, on the marketing side, which is what really matters, you have still 100%. Now fulfillment with affiliate marketing, because they do the fulfillment for you, it's 0%. Now let's move on to customer service. A business needs customer service, take care of refunds, talking to customers, answering questions and things like that. So let's put just a modest 10% right here. On if you have your own product, you need to take care of that, right? As with affiliate marketing, it's 0% because they do that for you. The product that you are promoting, maybe digital product or even a physical product, they do the customer service for you. So that is 0. So as you can see here, let's come here to the marketing column. As you can see here, if you have your own product, you would be putting 50% of your time on marketing. As in with affiliate marketing, you're putting 100% of your time on marketing, which is the income generator activity. And by the way, here on product, right, you don't have to build a product, so you can start on day one. So you have a big advantage. And what this does is by, working an hour or two on marketing per day with affiliate marketing, you can literally put, 20% of your time can generate between 40 to 60 of the revenue generated by the product. So you put less time on affiliate marketing, yet you generate more income because you don't have to spend your time with sales, with fulfillment, customer service. So you don't have to care, none of that. You're free. You're free just to focus on the income generating activity, which is marketing, promoting, selling. And you could do this through many ways online. You could be through, paid advertisement. It could be through free traffic methods, for example, on TikTok, on Facebook, on Pinterest and Twitter and all these social media platforms that you could be putting your product out there. So you have the time to focus on marketing, which is what really matters. And so there we go. Now you can see why affiliate marketing is best. Because you put less effort and you generate more because you only focus on the marketing part, which is what really matters. So you can optimize the marketing part and just keep making it better and better and, make good money. Now, if you want to start with affiliate marketing, I will leave a link below in the section below. And I also, when you enter your email on the page, I will be sending tips for you. And also, I'm going to send you an email to clone my business, literally clone my business. So I'm going to give you, my landing page, my bridge page. I'm going to give you the script so you can do the video, even if you're not good on camera. And if you don't want to show your face, I also have a solution for that. So literally everything you need to clone my business, the follow-ups and everything. So on that link below, which is my #1 recommendation to making high-ticket affiliate marketing commissions. And by the way, you don't have to care about the sales, the fulfillment. They do the calling for you. The product is a high valuable product because people actually want to buy because they learn the skills that they need to pull it off, to learn the marketing side, right? And you don't have to fulfill. You don't have to do customer service, take care of refunds, none of that. It's all ready to go, and you can start on day one. You can start and focus on the marketing, which is what really matters. With that said, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. And if you know somebody that will benefit from this video, please share with them. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification bell as I do videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday about making money online and helping you become great. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time for being here with me. It's a real pleasure. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.